Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I want to share with you my plans for my 100-day project this year, as the project is about to officially start. I think it is set for start on 23rd of February. Well, I always try, not always, because this is the second year, just the second year that I participated in the project. So I think if you start around this day, it's okay. So yeah, this is, as I said, this is the second year I am participated in this challenge slash project. Last year I did 100 days of a floral line work, and if you want to know more about this project, I will leave the link for a video and a blog post I did explain everything about it and sharing my experience and reflections with this project. But for this year, uh, I decided to also explore the subject of flowers, because this is the subject that I am passionate about it. So yeah, the challenge, I am calling the challenge 100 days of ink flowers, maybe 100 days of ink flowers drawing, not sure yet. Maybe I will go with the short version. And it will combine two projects in one challenge. So what I mean by that is that I um, I will explore flower drawings, ink flower drawings, and that's why you are seeing all these brush pens, not brush pens, these are ink pens. Some are brush pens, other are markers, but these are all inks, and most of them are black. I have just one in blue, and I am considering to explore other colors, but I have just the blue at the moment. We'll see if I will get other colors or not. And so ink flower drawings that I will do in an outread book. So I want to combine flower drawings with an outread book in which I will create some abstract backgrounds such as this one. So these are two examples that I will talk about it in a minute. So flower drawings, outread book. For the outread book, I had these two books here. This is a smaller one, and I was thinking using it, but as you can see, the pages, there is no much text on the pages, and so I thought that it would not be so good for the kind of backgrounds that I want to create. So then I decided to use this one. It just larger, I would say bigger than the other one. It will require a little bit more effort to create the background, but the pages are full of text, so this is the ones that I prefer. So about this book is a novel from Brazilian writer called Érico Veríssimo, and yeah, it is very famous in Brazil. It is written in Portuguese, in Brazilian Portuguese, so that's nice. And it has more than 300 pages. I think it's 312 pages. So as you can imagine, I will not need the 300. Well, we are talking 300 pages, and these are like more or less 150 sheets, right? So I will have to remove some of them, other I will glue on each other. Yeah, so I will have to work a lot on this book. So yeah, so the main idea is that, like, combine 2 projects in one challenge. Basically is drawing flowers with ink pens over abstract backgrounds in an outread book. Okay, so how I organize my challenge is that similar to what I did last year, I will divide the 100 days in chunks of 10 days. So last year what I did was to draw 1 flower per day and change the color of my pens each 10 days. But here what I want to do is to each 10 days change the flower that I am exploring and also the color palette of my background. So that way I will have more time to explore the same flower, because last year I felt that for certain flowers that I enjoy to draw, I didn't have the opportunity to explore the flower in other ways. So I think with the 10 days dedicated just 1 flower will be better. And I will change colors each 10 days also, because I think like to stick with just 1 color or 1 color palette would be boring. So yeah, I'm giving the opportunity to change things along the challenge. And what else? I have also not defined, but I have picked some the 10 flowers that I want to explore. This is not I would say I can change this list whenever I decided to do that, but for now what I have in this list is magnolia, lily, hellebore, peony, ranunculus, orchid, anemone, pop, gardenia, and pansy. I will definitely not follow the same sequence. Probably I will change the order of these things, but one of things that I had in consideration while choosing this flower is that I tend to draw bigger or larger flowers when using markers or brush pens. So I want to work not with little flowers but with big flowers. So most of them here allows me to be how can I say, more comfortable drawing than using these pens. Yeah, that was my goal. And so just for you to understand these, I create these 2 pages. I remove the pages from this book and I try to create these 2 pages just to see how the pages would work. So I create this background with some paper scraps, and then I treat it with clear gesso to then add the colors. In this case I added this green watercolor, and here I added ink, blue ink. And what happened was that even with the transparent gesso applied, you can see the colors, the paint come through the other side of the page. So I will probably have to glue the pages so not to see these, or not to have other colors. I don't know, we'll see, because as I'm working with the same color palette, maybe this will be not needed. Yeah, so yeah, this is basically what I have to share with you regarding my plans for my 100-day project this year. I hope you tag along and follow my progress, my evolution during this challenge, and if you have any question, any suggestions, please share in the comments. I would love to chat with you about the challenge. And for now, this is my plans, and I will leave you with no chatty video, no talking video of me walking the background of the first 10 days of the project, so you can have an idea of how I created this kind of backgrounds. Hope you enjoy to watch me creating, preparing my backgrounds for my first days of my 100 days project, and I see you in the next video. Bye. Once I finished this first background, I decided not to do any more of them and instead to draw my first flower for the first day of the challenge. But something happened with my camera and it didn't record me drawing, so I promised to come back with another video with me just drawing over the backgrounds, the abstract backgrounds of my outlet book. So I see you in the next video. Bye.